Electricity is a good servant, but a bad master. The same invisible force that toasts your bread in the morning can stop your heart. It's a silent power living in our walls, and because our bodies are about 70% water, filled with conductive salts, we are excellent pathways for it. If you touch a live wire, the current sees a shortcut to the ground, right through you. The most important rule is the simplest. Water and watts do not mix. Our tap water is full of minerals, making wet skin thousands of times more conductive than dry skin. This is why you never touch a switch with wet hands, and why that hairdryer or phone has no place near a bathtub. If a plugged-in appliance falls into water you're in, the result can be instantly fatal. Look at your power cords. That plastic or rubber coating is called insulation. It's the only thing keeping the power contained. If that cord is frayed, cracked, or chewed by a pet, the live copper wire might be exposed. Touching it creates a short circuit through your body. Don't risk it. A damaged cord is a dangerous cord. And think about your outlets. Just because a power strip has 8 sockets, it doesn't mean you should use them all for high-power items. Plugging in a heater, an iron, and a toaster all at once pulls a huge amount of current. This creates friction inside your walls, heating the wires until they can melt their insulation and set the wooden frame of your house on fire. It's a leading cause of house fires. Luckily, modern homes have a guardian angel, the RCD, or safety switch. It constantly monitors the flow of electricity. If even a tiny bit goes missing, leaking through a person, the RCD cuts the power in less than 0.03 seconds, faster than a heartbeat. It's the device that saves you from your own mistakes. So respect the power. And if your toast gets stuck, unplug the toaster before you even think about reaching in with a fork.